Hello everyone, Matt here with Live Sportscaster and Veercast Digital Media, bringing you another tutorial here, and today we're going to do an addition to the last tutorial video that we did on Amazon IVS. And the goal for today is to show you the new implementation that we have on Live Sportscaster, showing you exactly how you can now use our Amazon IVS account instead of your own. So no need to start your Amazon account, create your RTMP URLs and stream keys. You can do all that with a few clicks of the button on the Live Sportscaster platform. Now, I will say this is a paid service now because we are using our IVS account. It's costing us money, so in turn, we are activating a payment for this option to be able to stream directly on our platform using our IVS account. So the very first thing you're going to do, and I've already logged into the platform, but when you go into your admin interface in the top right-hand corner by clicking the avatar and hitting administration, it'll bring you to the admin panel. Yours will look a little different than this. If you've seen any of our other videos, you'll know that depending on the level in your admin, you will have these options or maybe you won't. But you'll see the banner at the top here. This is the live streaming banner. This is what you'll click on if you're not currently a subscriber. Let's say you have a Live Sportscaster account, but not currently a live streamer within Live Sportscaster. You can click on that banner and it'll take you directly to the cart where you can go ahead and activate your live streaming instantly. No need for us to go in and activate anything for you. Everything will happen automatically. You'll have all the same features that you see here. So starting out, the very first thing we're going to do, just like our last video, is going to the clips option. And before, you'll see a list of clips here that we've done in the past. Before, whenever we hovered over the new option in the top left over here, you had all these options except for this Stream Live IVS option. This is a new addition that we've just added in the latest update of Live Sportscaster. This gives you the ability to stream live directly using the API of Amazon IVS and Live Sportscaster. We've basically jumbled everything together to give you a seamless integration for your live streams. And so we click on the Stream Live IVS. It takes us to this page where we're going to put in a title. So let's do test IVS stream. And for you, it doesn't really matter that it's IVS. All you have to know is this is going to generate a RTMP key and a stream key for you to use in your encoder, whether it's vMix, OBS, whatever you use. So we'll hit continue. So it brings us up to a page where we can add our options here. Our title is there already. We can add a description. We can add any keywords or tags. We can upload our own poster. Let's say I already have one uploaded in here. I'm going to choose from one I've uploaded in the past within the platform. Let's say we want to go with something like this. I'll hit insert. And so this will replace this color bar image in the top right here for our broadcast. This is what's going to show in the video player of our stream. You also have the ability to upload your own file, or if you know the URL of the video or of the image, you're able to select that and paste the URL of the image. Here we can change anything such as the aspect ratio, which we normally want to leave at 16:9 for these scenarios unless you're broadcasting in a different format, resolution. You can input the manual duration of the stream, what you approximate it might be. If it's a 360 video, you have those options here as well. You can also have ads integrated into your website where you can allow users to skip ads after a certain amount of seconds. It's up to you on these options, but you don't have to touch most of this unless you just want to make it custom for your broadcast. And here is one of the most important options outside of the image and the title and the description. And this is the date and time of your broadcast. You want to input what this is going to be. So in this instance, just for tutorial purposes and demonstration, I'm going to leave it as is at 7:24 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I'm going to hit save right here in the top right-hand corner. So you'll notice we get a few notices here. It says this clip is not associated to a channel or category. So when you even before the free option you have with Live Sportscaster also gives you the ability to create categories or even channels within your admin interface. And so let's say you do sports and you do non-sports related content, or let's say you do basketball and you do football and you want to have separate categories for each one, you can create that in advance. Again, this is not part of this tutorial, so we're not going to go over that, but that option is there for you and you can explore as you sign up for the platform. It says this clip is inactive and not showing on the web TV. It's because we have not activated yet, and we will do that after we get the info that we need for the live broadcast. So here, we'll go to the next tab over. We just basically follow on every tab as we go over. This is the live info tab. So here you can see we have a server URL. This is our RTMPS URL, and you're going to have a stream key. You'll see here the stream key below, and it's okay that I'm showing it because I'm not going to actually use it. I'm going to delete it after this happens, but this is for example purposes, and it's not live. So you can look at this here and see exactly what you need to input in your encoder. See, it says right here, live publishing info is OBS, vMix, or Wirecast. This is where you input that information. You also won't have the option for this. This is for admin purposes, but we can provide this if you need it. You just won't see it in your admin interface. So this is the direct URL, your M3U8 URL that you can input into apps. If you have an app and you want to use your own player and you want the direct stream URL, we include that here upon request. So it's as simple as that. You're going to input this information here. And I'm going to go ahead and do that here in my Wirecast software, vMix software that I'm using currently. I'm just going to copy the server URL. And then I'm going to go over to vMix. I'm going to go to my stream options. I'm going to paste that. And then I'm going to copy my stream name and stream key. Save and close that. And hit the stream button. So it'll take a second for it to turn red, show you that you're streaming. We are streaming now live. We'll cut back over to the other page. And now, the best thing to do is if you're ready to you'll do this probably beforehand, is activate your clip. We'll go back to where it gave us that message before and shows inactive, and we're going to activate it. So hit save. So now your clip is going to be live on the front end of the website. So if we go to Live Sportscaster, this is the front end of our website. And we have all the different clips here. There is some caching involved, so it's a little bit delayed. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the preview button here. So this is basically preview what we're streaming live. And you'll see this stream will pop up. We're streaming live. So this, as I'm doing this tutorial, you're streaming live in a matter of what? Just a couple of minutes. We're already live. And the beauty of Amazon IVS is that the very low latency. So it's within a couple of seconds, and that's what's live for the viewer to see. It does automatic transcoding for you, so you have the adaptive bit rate, which is beautiful for your viewers if they have a slower connection. This is a robust server. This is Amazon. It's not nothing that we came up with. This is built on Amazon servers. So it is very, very good for you, knowing that you have the trust with up to 5,000 viewers at one time to view this broadcast. If you need more than that, contact us. We can work on that as well. But that's basically it. That's the tutorial. That's how you get your own server info. That way you don't have to create your own Amazon account, IVS account. You don't have to do any of that. All you're doing is subscribing at $40 a month, and that gives you the option to live stream on our platform. You can also embed this on your external website. So you can go to share option here, and there's the embed code for this broadcast. You just basically paste that in your website. You can link it directly, or you can also share it on other social media platforms. So this has been a tutorial again with Veercast Digital Media and LiveSportscaster.com. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. Info@veercast.com, that's VEERCAST.com is the best way to reach us. That's our direct email. You can also find us on all the socials at Veercast, and I appreciate you watching.